This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Halloween, Wednesday, October 31st. I am James Spann. Hey, don't forget our spotter training. Storm Training Extraordinaire, the once-a-year event, is a week from Saturday. Storm Alert Extreme 2012. We'll train at the BJCC in downtown Birmingham as part of the Alabama International Auto Show. Brian Peters will be the trainer again this year, the best Skywarn trainer in the nation. Kevin Laws of the National Weather Service in Birmingham will conduct a great seminar on using dual-pole radar. You'll learn more about storms than you've ever learned before. We need more trained spotters in the state, so be there. Doesn't cost anything. Just show up. It's free. No need to register. And, of course, you get to go to the car show absolutely free when we're done. So we'll see you there a week from Saturday, November 10th. It's a cold morning. That's the Jasper Skycam. We've got some 20s around the state this morning, up in northeast Alabama. The coldest spots so far, Fort Payne and Valley Head at 28. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam, looking down over Lurleen B. Wallace Boulevard. And there's the Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma, across the Alabama River. The system formerly known as Sandy is up in the northeast. You can see that circulation covering much of the eastern U.S., and there's a look at the hourly obs taken at the top of the hour at 5 o'clock, but again, right after that was grabbed. Fort Payne dropped down to 28. Our skywatcher, Vic Bell, up at Black Creek, which is just northeast of Gadsden's, got 29. Coldest morning of the season so far for most places. There's the circulation of Sandy, the pressure 996 millibars. The low is Broad now, and it's near Buffalo and Erie. Still, the strongest winds are on the west side, over toward Chicago, Milwaukee, Indianapolis. There's a watch warning map. Got some freeze and frost advisories for parts of Tennessee and North Mississippi, North Georgia. But generally speaking, things are calming down. That winter storm warning for the mountains of West Virginia should be canceled later today as the snow rates have finally tapered off there. And there's the rain for the next 5 days, showing a little bit. This is valid through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. This thing, late Sunday, Monday, doesn't look like it's going to rain a lot. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's the eastern trough, and down below that it will be a sunny day. Mid-60s today. Tomorrow, a clone of today. We'll start the day in the 30s. Again, frost potential. Maybe a freeze for the colder valleys. We'll warm up in the middle 60s again. Friday, with the thickness values are coming up, so a good chance we'll get up there in the low to mid-70s. And I think Saturday might be the warmest day of November. This is suggesting those thickness values a high somewhere between 76 and 79. Wow. Sunny, very mild. It's going to feel good. And then Sunday, you can see energy to the north over Des Moines. And we'll keep an eye on that. Moisture is coming up a little bit, and that's suggesting there could be a few showers around on Sunday. Not a lot of rain, just a few showers. And then Monday, that energy is coming down through Little Rock. Down below that, again, we'll mention some risk of showers, but again, the moisture is very limited. And then Tuesday, a pretty decent trough carves out as the energy rounds the base of the trough east of the state, and down below that, we turn colder. Thickness values come down. And Tuesday, we might have a hard time getting out of the 50s as some of that air is coming off the snowpack over the Appalachian Mountains. So Tuesday looks like kind of a chilly day. And there's Wednesday. We'll probably start the day in the 30s. And look at the nor'easter potential again. Just off of Cape Cod. Nothing like Sandy. Nothing. Not in the same universe. But that could be a windy and wet day for the coast and maybe some interior snow if that is correct. And there's been some consistency in that. Got there a few more days. This is 11/11. A warm ridge over the South Atlantic coast, a deep upper low over the high plains, and that's a classic mid-latitude cyclone. Heavy snow for Montana and North Dakota. Maybe some strong storms for Tulsa and Kansas City, as we'll be in the warm sector. And then on the 15th, another look with a big, deep trough out west, and again, potential for stormy weather. So this is suggesting mid-November might become stormy for parts of the central U.S., and keep in mind this is the fall tornado season, so things like that, not surprising. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News and the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.